I'm Kwok Pang, and I'm the co-founder and chief operating officer of Autolomous. Autolomous is a software and technology provider to CGT developers. And what's different about Autolomous is that we're founded by two teams of individuals, and one team is from within the industry, and that's myself and Professor Mark Liddell from UCL. Together we have 50 years of experience in the CGT space. So although Autolomous is only 3 years old, we've got 50 years within the space. And we also got our two other co-founders, Alexander Safe, our CEO, and Lexi Blaine, our CTO, who have a lot of experience in deploying enterprise-level systems in other industries like telecom. So over the last 2.5, 3 years, we've leveraged our networks and built a number of different deployments, 8 deployments in total, with different therapy developers. So from CAR-Ts to TILs to Allo-NK, we kind of cover the whole breadth just to show the flexibility and the agility of our platform. We've also worked with a lot of collaborators and ecosystem suppliers. We built 8 integrations in 12 months. So again, across the whole value chain. So from the quality systems to manufacturing devices to the back end working with the NHS. So we have 2 Innovate UK sponsored or supported projects. One is working with the NHS through the ACCC network, building a prototype IT system to enable ordering of advanced therapies and the communication between the clinic and the manufacturing to be more streamlined. And then back end, post-manufacturing, we're building a module to help batch certification. So we hear from the industry that because it's a per batch manufacturing, so every patient is in an individual, as opposed to manufacturing of vaccines where you have a single batch and you may have 10,000 doses at the end of it. This is per batch. But all of the regulatory documentation is exactly the same for one batch for one patient or one batch for 10,000 patients. So you can imagine the kind of the volume of data that needs to be managed in cell therapies. And so we're helping within that space. And we're working with others within that space to create a seamless system that we can then support the scale-up of manufacturing.